YouTube. Today we're gonna be throwing stuff out of Lawnmower, and that's basically it. I didn't have any ideas for a what's it called, an intro, but yeah. So we got the items on the ground. Let me just unwrap some stuff. Yeah, this is the stuff that we got. So yummy. Okay, enough with the talking weird. Sorry, my camera, tripod moved. So, should I get started? I don't know. I'll be back. Jelly on these sandwiches. Or sandwich. Look like blood, but it's actually not. And that's the end of the video. Goodbye.